In this video, we're diving into how to automate social proof notifications with Proof. If you've been looking for a way to build trust with your audience and boost conversions, this is for you. Stick around because I'll walk you through the simple steps to set up social proof notifications with Proof and show you how it can seriously elevate your business. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to use Proof to automatically display real-time social proof on your website. Imagine showing your visitors how many people are engaging with your product, signing up for your service, or making purchases, instantly building trust and increasing sales. Now, you can start using Proof completely free through the first link in the description below, and there's an exclusive bonus waiting for you, so don't miss that. Let's get into it. First, you'll want to start by signing up for Proof. It's simple, and setting up your account only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where all the magic happens. You'll see a clean, user-friendly interface that makes everything easy to set up. No technical expertise required. Next, you'll want to create a new notification. Proof allows you to customize your social proof notifications with ease. Whether you're looking to display how many people have recently purchased a product, or how many people are currently viewing a certain page on your site, Proof lets you show this in real time, making your visitors feel like they're part of a busy, active environment. The next step is setting up the specific triggers for your notifications. You can automate them to appear based on certain actions, whether it's when someone clicks on a product or when they complete a purchase. Proof allows you to control the timing, ensuring the notifications pop up at just the right moment to grab your visitors' attention without feeling intrusive. One of the best features of Proof is the ability to integrate it with your other marketing tools. You can easily connect Proof with your email list, your CRM, and other platforms you might be using. This ensures that every action your visitor takes is tracked and displayed as social proof, helping you build momentum across your entire marketing ecosystem. Now, let's talk about customization. Proof offers multiple templates for you to choose from, allowing you to match the look and feel of your website. You can change the colors, adjust the fonts, and more, so your notifications fit seamlessly with your brand. You want to make sure these notifications don't look like an afterthought. They should add to the user experience and boost your credibility. Once you've set up your notifications, don't forget to test them. Proof allows you to preview your settings to make sure everything works just as you want it to. You'll be able to see in real time how the notifications will appear on your site, giving you peace of mind before you go live. Now, what's the impact of these notifications? When customers see others taking action, whether it's a purchase, sign up, or browsing your website, it triggers a psychological effect that encourages them to take similar action. This kind of real-time social proof is a powerful tool to boost trust, urgency, and ultimately conversions. It's especially effective for new visitors who may not yet trust your brand. By showing them that others are engaging with your content, you're building credibility instantly. And here's a pro tip. You can get even more out of Proof by running A/B tests on your notifications. This allows you to test different messaging or placement strategies to see which one has the best impact on your conversion rates. Over time, you can optimize these notifications for maximum effectiveness. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can start using Proof for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below. And don't forget, I've got an exclusive extended free trial just for you. If you're ready to start automating social proof notifications on your site, give Proof a try. It's easy to set up and the results can be massive for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below to start your free trial with bonus features today.